Hello, dear friends. This is the Phone Support channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and put a like. And also, write in the comments if this video helped you, or if you still have questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to tell you how to clear Safari cache a couple of seconds. This is a very good and effective way, with which you will be able to clear more than 1 gigabyte. If you have never used this method before, it may be that a huge amount of junk on your iPhone will be deleted. How do we clean up this garbage? It's very simple. You go into your iPhone settings, and here we need to find an item called Safari. This is the browser we use, and it takes up quite a lot of space. So how can we clear the cache of this application? We go to Safari. Go a little lower and find the button, Clear History and Website Data. Or, to find out how much space the browser is taking up, we press Advanced. Click Website Data. The entire memory is counted, and here we click Remove All Website Data, and we clear out all the data that we have in Safari. The browser itself will not be deleted, all the tabs will remain, but the history and all the cache will be deleted, and the memory will be cleared. I think if you haven't used this cleanup method in a while, it's a great way to get rid of unnecessary files on your iPhone. That was Phone Support. See you soon. Thank you.